Hello guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat's port code SS06. To fix this issue, first you have to go to your home screen and now click on settings and you have to scroll down and find the apps. Click on manage app and in the search bar type Snapchat. Click on the Snapchat and here you will see a clear data option. Click on the clear data option. Now click on clear cache and click on OK. And now you have to go to your Snapchat app and see if your issue is resolved or not. If you're still facing this issue, you have to go to your previous tab and now click on again clear data, and this time you have to click on manage space and now delete the old data of your Snapchat app. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If this method is not working for you, you have to go to your Play Store and now in the search bar type Snapchat and now see if there is any update available for your Snapchat app. If any update available in of your Snapchat app, you have to update your app and then open your app and hopefully your error will be fixed. Hopefully this method will help you to fix your issue. Thanks for watching.